Check in, my peeps. Wow, go on YouTube, man, as I respect again, man, you see me? Give thanks for your support all the time, man, you see me? Big up on yourself, like up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, my peeps. Yeah, man, so my daughter do I go now blood cooking, you know? Yeah, man, outdoor bushcraft style, you see me? First, me I gotta do this on the channel, my peeps, so just stay tuned, watch how I go on. Yeah, my beautiful peeps. Nice chicken right here. Already clean up already food in my peeps. Have ripe plantain, bell pepper, cabbage, garlic, Irish potato, and scotch branded pepper my peeps. And I have some jerk seasoning. Soon forward and some salt, you know. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna do some underground baking. A whole of chicken, you see me, my peeps? Yes, so me already dug the hole already for go bake the chicken underground. So just stay tuned, watch how I go on. Like up the video, share the video. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Time to get the fire igniting, no man. Subscribe to the channel, you know, my beautiful peeps. Blaze up the fire, you know. Get the bar rolling, you know, my beautiful peeps. You know what I mean? Now, wicked, my peeps. Believe, man. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Check in, man. Subscribe to the channel, you know, my beautiful peeps. Fire stick at burn out, you know. Yeah, man, so I just leave that, make it go and burn out if it turn charcoal. So in the meantime, catch you on me, I season up the whole of chicken, my peeps. Boom, bang, bang. Check in back, my peeps. Subscribe to the channel, you know, my peeps. So I'm there here, so right now, I go put few slices on the chicken before I start seasoning it up. This way, the seasoning can get to soak into the chicken flesh, you know. I turn them over now. Let me say seasoning can get to soak, you know. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Check in, man, now. Apply the seasoning over it now, my peeps. In and out. Nice jerk seasoning, this is my beautiful peeps. You know now. Flip it over. Rub in all of them seasoning and all my peeps. You know now. Come on, subscribe to the channel, man. J Blacks TV, you know. One whole of bird me a roast food underground today, see me? Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Check in, you know, man. Subscribe to the channel, my peeps. So me have the cabbage right here clean up already. Right plantain done slice up. Bell pepper done slice up. Garlic, hot pepper, and the Irish potato. So now I'm going to stuff everything inside our chicken, my peeps. So just stay tuned for that, my peeps. Boom, bang, bang, check in, my peeps. Subscribe to the channel. So now we're going to stuff up the chicken. Fully active, you know. Hold on, get in the bell pepper, the garlic, scotch bonnet. First, everything inside of it. Stuff them up. Get in the Irish. You know what I mean? Get in the ripe plantain. Everything I stuff up in it, you know, my peeps. Then, after we stuff him up, finish stuff him now, my peeps, we are going to wrap it up in a file paper, fully seal up, you know. That is it. Check in back on me. Fully start out that thing here fully, you know. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Check in, man, is it. Fully seal up, you know, my peeps. Fire side over there, so. Ready to take on the whole of chicken, you know. So stay tuned, I'm going to drop it in the fire pit, my peeps. Amen. That is it, man. Subscribe to the channel, you know, my peeps. Drop this right aside of the fire pit fully, you know. Yes, sir. Check in, you know, my beautiful peeps. So I get some of this to the side. Like that. Get some banana leaf on top. And then we throw some dirt. You know. So now my beautiful peeps, I will leave this underground for at least 2 hours to bake. One whole of chicken a bake underground full of my beautiful peeps. Time what me top my peeps. So I go on the peeps. So what's up? Ooh. Hot. Sheesh. See my peeps. Cabbage cook. Put on the cabbage. Cook. I meat I cook it, my peeps. It not fully bake. Big up on yourself if you want to stick out with me this far. Now I mean, now I don't frown on my peeps failure. Not so failure. Right through, you know. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Boom. Yeah, my peeps, so I took out all the coals that out from out there, from under the ground, and put them right there, so make a twist it, you see me? So stay tuned and watch how I go on, my peeps. That it is the flip my peeps.